Hi, my name is Ann Weichsel. I've been a patient at the Drugless doctor now for about a year. I met Dr. Kaysen at an event I was actually working at, and she encouraged me to come to the Drugless doctor. My intuition told me to have a blood panel test taken, and turned out that my TSH level, my thyroid stimulating hormone level, was 20.1, well over the established normal limits for a healthy individual. I thought I was healthy, doing everything right, eating well, exercising daily, drinking plenty of water, abstaining from alcohol, yet I was exhausted, just completely exhausted every afternoon. And I didn't realize that my thyroid was totally off, not operating properly. Well, once I sat down with Dr. Anthony and he went over my blood work, line by line, explaining everything to me about my different levels, tying in, normals with things that weren't so normal, highs with lows. He put me on a pretty intense supplement regimen, and within 3 months, my thyroid stimulating hormone was just about back to normal. Within 6 months, completely back to normal. My body had healed itself. It's so exciting because people think the only solution is a prescription, and it's not. Your body can heal itself, and that's what they do here at the Drugless doctor. They take time with you. Each doctor gets to know you. They communicate with each other so they're all on the same page, and they truly care for you. It is not a cookie cutter regimen for anybody.